Hi, I am Shraddha Kapoor and I am shooting for Grazia's Jan cover. Hope, magic, positivity, balance, lots of time with family, doing some great work, and being very, very grateful for everything that's in store for me in 2025. Sunday reset ritual to start the week on a high note is me just sitting like this on my couch, staring at the wall, having chai, playing with my dogs, spending time with family, them talking to me and me not listening and not processing a word that they are saying, relaxing, reading, doing nothing, staring out the window, stuff like that. I actually think I'm very, very talented. I feel like there are many skills that, I have, which is, I sing, I paint, I act, I dance. But apart from that, I think that if I have to hone any skill, I think it would be the skill to not to memorize my to-do list for the day. There's no fixed thing. It could be anything. It could be me going on my terrace and enjoying the morning sun. It could be me going on my terrace at very late in the night, if it's a full moon night, and just staring at the moon. It could be, I think it's very unpredictable. Can I say dreaming, magic, achieving, hope, happiness, silliness, fun, challenges. I'm not giving you one word, no. I think it would be probably my father, and then I would want to time travel back and live his entire journey, because I really want to know how has he done 700 films in one lifetime. I mean, it's a no-brainer. Lata Mangeshkar. She's divine. No one's. I love my closet with my relaxed clothes. I'm very happy with my clothes. They're very fuss-free, so no one's. I feel like I make resolutions every week. And I think that has really worked for me, because I feel like through the year I've tried so many different things, new kinds of habits, and seen, which ones are the ones that I want to keep on. So I don't believe in a yearly resolution. I believe that if you feel like starting something, you can start it anytime, any day of the week, any month. There are many movies that are my ultimate comfort movies. There is, of course, Andaz Apna Apna. There is Chalbaz. There is Home Alone. And now it's Christmas time also. So Home Alone is a great Christmassy feeling movie. Lots of movies, loads. So, when I was little, my brother and I, we used to participate in a lot of dance competitions, okay? And he's a really, really good dancer. And he would always beat me, okay, while we were growing up. Now I think I have a chance to give him a little bit of takkar, so I would want to do a competition with my brother. Bhaiya, watch out, I'm coming for you. Pajama core for life. I have so many PJs, I've lost count. Okay, so the last meme that has been exchanged between myself and my brother, and it's a meme of a woman very angry in a metro, and she's screaming at someone. It's very funny. want to fly. I think flying would be really fun. I can go wherever I want to go. I can fly and go to my Masi's house. I can fly and go and meet my friends. I can fly overseas, foreign. So flying would be a cool superpower. Currently, night owl. There's no chai option. I can say chai and coffee actually. Sneakers. One beauty product that I can't live without.
A few moments later.
Moisturizer. Oh, dream travel destination for 2025. No plans as such as yet, but I would really love to see the Northern Lights. My family and I speak every single year. We're like, this year we're going to go. Pakka, next year we're going to go. Oh, definitely this year we're going to go. I hope we make it happen. Biggest green flag in a person is authenticity. Just show your real self. It was, I think I checked about one jacket because it's cold in Bombay, guys. It's amazing. Can you believe it? I can't believe it. And I was looking for a jacket to wear in Bombay. So it's good news. I mean, I'll sound very full of myself if I take my own movie's name, my own movie songs. But what the hell? It's 3-2 songs because they're very nice. Yeah, what can you do? Kati raat maine kheton mein tu aayi nahi. It's a very good song. You can't disagree. You can't choose between avocado toast and pancakes with maple syrup because they're both very different. So you would have avocado toast and then you would have pancakes and maple syrup. So you can't pick.